Bogey life, no apologies. High score stacking, still the coldest in the cut. Bogey King forever. Let's go.
I'm the Bogey King, card looking like a crime scene. 5 over steady, never chasing birdie dreams. Fairway, optional, rough, got my name engraved. Still finish strong, bogey chain heavy, never phased. Dudes flex, low number, scratch dreams off facade. I embrace the overturn, bogeys in the art, no fraud. 8 on the hole, put me down for 5, that's the play. Snowman on the card, melting, watch it fade away. Hit the ball on top, skull it like a boss move. Houses ain't safe, windows catch smoke, improve. Water on the hole, you know I find it. Splash king, cart girl watching, gon' get in the hole, bling bling. Bogey golfer, high score hero, pimp status supreme. Snowman melting, card looking mean, mulligans flowing. Gimme's in the leather dream, fuck going low. Bogey's got the crown supreme. High score king, untouchable, no cap. Bogey life forever, put respect on the map. 10 pops on the front, still the coldest around. Catch this bogey smoke, you getting shut down. Puts lipping out, I'm not tripping now, stay cool. Talk to my balls, bite, make them obey the rule. I play Pro V's, I found in the woods when I pee. Lost and found legend, free upgrades for me. White tees where I play, get off the tips, clown. Blizzy at the turn, got me swole like Popeye now. Buried line 6 feet under, no escape, free drops, 10 pops for a net. 92 reshape, shirt untucked, fuck the dress code, rebel mode. Speaking in the car, blasting beats down the road. Put fur around the hole, pimp the cup elite. Hit it, Alice, you hit that with your purse defeat. Notorious OB, out of bounds, boss, no remorse. Slice it wide, reload, stay on course. Cart path only, we'll fucking see. Find the gap through branches of the tree. Low branch hanging ball in the pines. Nah, squeeze, breakfast balls, all you can eat. Reload, please, mulligans. 1 per side, that's the code, play it up. You ain't a pro, let it go. Gimme's within the leather, put a grip measure. Tap in close, no need to pressure. Aim point, read, 5-finger break. Feet feel the slope in my favor. Watch the ball coat, 2 gloves gripping. White belt popping clean, head covers on my irons like a pimp on the scene. Fur on the woods, chrome on the sticks, flash without flash. I got 10 pops on the front 9, stacking that cash. Nah, fuck going low, I got the high score, bogey chain heavy. Still kicking in the door, dry January got me tripping. No bruise in the cart, but the swing stay crisp, launch monitor heart. Numbers don't lie, even when the cards fry. Bogey golfer forever, but now worldwide. Bogey golfer, high score hero, pimp status supreme. Snowman melting, card looking mean, mulligans flowing. Gimme's in the leather dream, fuck going low. Bogey's got the crown supreme. High score king, untouchable, no cap. Bogey life forever, put respect on the map. 10 pops on the front, still the coldest around. Catches bogey smoke, you getting shut down. High scores pimping, Bogey King crown. Snowman melting, but the throne stays sound. Notorious OB, glizzy fuel, no fear. Bogey golfer legend, year after year. We outside, high score amplified.